Behind me, you can see some of the famous Egyptian pyramids. These pyramids were built about 4,500 years ago. We don't really know how they were built, but we can study them and make guesses. The work can't have been easy. Thousands of men must have worked on each pyramid. Most of them were probably Egyptians. Some of them may have been foreigners who were paid for their work. For a known fact about the past, we can use an ordinary verb without a modal verb. These pyramids were built about 4,500 years ago. But when we make guesses, we need a modal verb. If we make almost certain guesses with good reasons, we use can't have or must have. The work can't have been easy. Thousands of men must have worked on each pyramid. For these guesses about the past, the modal verb is followed by have and the past participle of the main verb, must have worked. For negative sentences, we put not between the modal verb and have. The work can't have been easy. For less certain guesses about possibilities, we can use the same pattern with the modal verbs may, might, and could. For example, some of them may have been foreigners. In spoken English, we put the verb and have together in short forms. Must have, could have, might have. For negatives, we put the modal and not and have all together. Can't have, couldn't have, mightn't have. Look at this photo and the sentence about it. When the photographer took this photo, the sun must have been going down behind him. Have been going is in the continuous form because it describes a continuing situation at a point in time. For the continuous form, the modal verb is followed by have been and the ing form of the main verb.